You have just spent 6 hours making a YouTube video. The script is perfect, the editing is done, the title is ready. You upload it and then you wait. But the views don't come. Sometimes the problem is not the video, it is the packaging. And that is exactly where today's tool comes in. Thumbs.ai is an AI powered platform built around one of the biggest challenges for YouTubers, getting people to click. But it is not simply an AI image generator. It gives you a collection of tools designed specifically around YouTube thumbnails and creator assets. So let's go through it and see what you actually get. So first of all, you just need to log in. This is the main interface of Thumbs.ai. You just need to click on start for free for those who wants to buy and check it before buying. So you can just log in with the help of Google or any other account, and you will get 20 credits here on the top right corner. On that credits you can make 10 different type of thumbnail. It is up to you how to use this AI in different ways. Here we have different sections on the top left corner, so you can just click on any type of option and make thumbnails. So first of all, I want to tell you, here we have different type of templates of most famous YouTubers. You can even use these type of templates and you just need to make changes. Here we have different type of niche and you can select according to your video. Then we have different style. You can add these type of features in your videos: subject, text, background, hook. So it's up to you how to use these features in your thumbnail. So next part is create thumbs. In this section we have two different features: text to thumbnail and image to thumbnail. In text to thumbnail you just need to make prompt with the help of any AI such as ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, etc. If you want to add any template, you can select template from this AI, and here we have different niche. So according to your niche you can select that template and just click here on use button. For example, I'm using this one. I just need to click here. So this is the prompt for this thumbnail, and you guys can enhance this prompt. As you guys can see here that this prompt is enhanced and now a little bit lengthy, so this feature is also a good one. After that we have add your face option. If you guys want to add your own face, you just need to upload your picture. After that you guys can make any type of emotion or reaction to your picture with the help of this AI. This is the great feature in this AI. Then we have choose reference or clone style. So if you want to add any type of emotions, reactions, you guys just need to click here. This was the choose reference or clone style. After that we have advanced section. In this section we have two different things: aspect ratio. If you are making long video, especially for YouTube, you just need to click here. But if you are making shorts, you guys just need to click here on this one. Then we have variation section. In this section you guys can make different type of templates on one prompt. For example, on one prompt you guys need 2 or 3 different type of thumbnails. You guys just need to click on that, and it means if you are clicking on 2, so it means it will multiply by 2. Now I have selected 3. AI will charge you 6 credits. On 6, AI will charge you 12 credits. After giving prompts and adding other features, you guys just need to click here on generate thumbnail. Then we have another section, image to thumbnail. In image to thumbnail we have all the remaining features are same, but this one is the additional feature. In this feature you just need to upload or drag your previous thumbnail or downloaded thumbnail, or if you like any thumbnail on YouTube, you just need to copy the link from YouTube and paste here. Or you can also select from asset any previous thumbnail like this. If I am selecting from assets, I have already made these thumbnails. If I need to use this one, I just need to click here, and then if I want to change anything in this thumbnail or want something different, so I just need to explain that thing in the prompt section. So after that you guys can add anything according to your need, and then you guys just need to click here on generate thumbnail. So even recreate thumbs, when you are selecting from any other sources, for example selecting from asset, so it means this section will convert into recreate thumbs, because create thumbs and recreate thumbs have the same options, same features. Then we have the section of template. So this is template section. In this section we have different niche. As I have already mentioned that we have different niche in this AI, so you guys can select according to your niche, and you guys just need to click on create thumbnail or recreate thumbnail. After that you guys have similar thumbnail, but you guys don't need to copy any template as it is, so please change it according to your requirements. Then we have the downloader section. In this section we have three different features. In single, you just need to copy and paste any video's link, and AI will extract that thumbnail on the basis of 1 credit per image. But in this section you guys are allowed to paste only one thumbnail, but in batch section you guys are allowed to paste multiple links of any videos, and then you guys just need to click here on extract thumbnail, and on that basis AI will deduct your credits. Then we have channel. In channel we just need to copy and paste the link of any YouTube channel, and AI will give you thumbnails from the recent videos. And we have also export settings here, 4K or HD and SD. You can select according to your need. And then we have original JPG or PNG. Then we have two different sections, and they are in the coming soon tab. Then we have asset and creation. In asset and creation we have the history of already made thumbnails. You guys can delete it, reuse it, regenerate it, download it, again use this thumbnail for other video, or you want to change this thumbnail for the video in which you are already using this thumbnail. So it's up to you, and you guys can even give like or dislike here. And then we have scoring. AI will recommend you thumbnails which has scores minimum 70 or more than 70. If the scores are less than 70, it means you guys need to improve that thumbnail, but you guys can use that thumbnail if you want. I will suggest you to follow this AI recommendation. Then we have my face and emotion section. In this section you just need to give any name, then you can upload your own picture and choose an emotion if you want any emotion from this section. But if an emotion is not available here and you want something different, you guys just need to click here and write prompt here, and after that you guys can generate it. And when you are creating these type of emotions on your picture, AI will deduct your 2 credits per picture. Here I have already made this reaction on the basis of this picture. Then we have my style. My style is also in coming soon, and I hope such type of features will be amazing. And then we have packages per month. These are the prices, and so here are the prices per year. So here is the promotion link, and you guys can just click on that and you guys can just use this AI, and I hope this AI will save your time. So that is the thing. If you guys like this AI and video, then tell me in the comment section. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. See you. Bye bye.